Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case in which the prosecution proceedings against the assessee were initiated for non-filing of the return of income tax according to the provisions of section 139 subsection 1. Although the assessee has filed the return of income belatedly, and in the present case, even the penalty proceedings against the assessee were dropped on technical grounds. Even then, the prosecution proceedings were initiated against the assessee. So, what is the fate of these type of proceedings has been taken up by Madras High Court in the case of R.P. Dharmalingam versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax. And this case is reported in 471 ITR at page number 769. And the date of the judgment is 9th November 2023. In the present case, the assessment year is 12-13. So the financial year ending was 31st March 2012. Generally, the due date of filing the return for an assessee, for an individual assessee is 31st July. So if we see that the due date was 31st July, but the assessee has filed his return of income in the present case on 18th April 2013. So this return was delayed and it was not in section 139 subsection 1, but it was belated return under section 139 subsection 4. The assessee has not shown his full income in this return. After filing the return under section 139 subsection 4, there was search on the assessee and the notice under section 153A was sent to the assessee. And in response to that notice, the assessee filed his return under section 153A on 20th November 2015. And in this return, some more income was shown. So it was apparent from the case that the assessee has not shown his full income in the original return and has concealed his income. In the present case, one more fact was there, that the penalty proceedings of the assessee were dropped on technical grounds. Now the revenue started prosecution proceedings against the assessee for non-filing of the return according to the provisions of section 139 subsection 1 and for filing the return of income belatedly. When this matter was heard by Madras High Court, the court said that return should be filed before due date according to section 139 subsection 1. The court said that non-filing of return before due date constitutes an offence under section 276(c). The court further said that there is no condonation of the infraction even if the return is filed under section 139 subsection 4, and the court was of the considered view that non-filing of the return has nothing to do with the adjudication in the assessment proceedings. And since in the present case there is clear-cut concealment of income on the part of the assessee, so the prosecution proceedings for non-filing of the return of income within due time, that is section 139 subsection 1, is valid. The court said that it doesn't matter whether the assessee has filed the return of income belatedly under section 139 subsection 4. So the Madras High Court justified the prosecution proceedings in the present case. But recently, for this case, the judgment of the Supreme Court has come and the court has said that since in the present case the penalty proceedings were dropped, so the prosecution proceedings should not continue. But friends, there are a number of the cases in which it has been held by the various courts that when the penalty proceedings have been dropped just on the technical grounds, then in that case the prosecution proceedings can be initiated and can be continued. The main lesson from this case is that we should not make it our habit that we should delay our returns before the due date under section 139 subsection 1, and we should not take that the late filing of return by us, whether it is belatedly or whether it is the within the time allowed by section 139 subsection 4, as our right, because the department can go a little bit against you, and he has every right to initiate the prosecution proceedings according to section 276 CC. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is R.P. Dharmalingam versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 471 ITR at page number 769, and the date of the judgment is 9th November 2023. Thank you, friends.